Hi everyone, I'm Shweta, she's Guinea, and we're from Guinea's Planet. And today you can see so many of us on Guinea's Planet because we are going ahead with candid talks with the mom interns, the outgoing batch 2. But before we start with everybody's introductions and conversations, Pallavi, can you just quickly give a brief about what mom internship is about?
Yes, Shweta. I started off on Guinea's Planet as a mom intern, and today I am head of marketing at Guinea's Planet. It's been quite a journey of learning as well as having a lot of fun. So, mom internship is basically a 3 month program designed specially for moms. So, you can apply either for a part time position, which is 2 to 3 hours commitment a day, or a full time position, which is 5 to 6 hours of commitment a day. And we typically expect you to work 5 days a week. And there are certain internal capacity building programs as well as team meetings which have a fixed definite time attached to them. However, by and large, your work schedule will be flexible. So that is mom internship in a nutshell.
Thank you, Pallavi. That was a quick brief. And now, of course, our mom interns are here to tell you more about themselves. But rather than them describing how it is for you, they're going to describe how it was for them. So I'm going to start with the basic question first. What made you apply for the internship program on Guinea's Planet?
I'm going to take up this question. I applied in this position from Instagram, knowing that it was an unpaid position very well. But primarily, my reason was to see whether I can, adopt myself well with the professional world after a break of motherhood and pandemic. And also because I have very young children at home, I wanted to see whether I can manage both work and family at the same time. And I knew it was a part-time position, but then 2 to 3 hours of dedicated work for the professional area means you need to give your 100% in that. So whether I was actually adept at doing both things was my goal here. So that was my reason to apply for this position.
Thank you so much, Nishari, for sharing the candid answer. Now, next question to the group is how do moms benefit from this internship?
Hi Shweta, hi Palvi. Allow me to answer this. There are more benefits than one, and I'll list them according to my best understanding. Primarily for moms, especially on a longer career break, it helps us ease into the work life back again by giving you tasks that help you oil yourself again, as Ria said earlier. Secondly, help you structure your day and start learning the basics of planning your day, managing your work and your home, which because of which you took the break. Thirdly, most importantly, while the internship may be unpaid, monetary value is not that is always important. There are loads of other ways that we benefit. One very simple and straightforward being the products, the services of Guinea's Planet, the workshops which are aimed at children, the big event like a day on Guinea's Planet, we had free access to all. So our children had free access to all these wonderful workshops and the great learning that came with it. For us, the capacity building workshops, which are interwoven into the whole internship program, which happened every Wednesday, has earned us a certificate in the course of empathy. Those were some of the benefits. The more important part, which the internship has planned, is to give us professional leverage to help us all build our profiles, our revive our professional networks, also push us through some tasks out of our comfort zone by focusing on certain tasks that we had to do. Just to take an example, like we all were asked to write an article on LinkedIn. Now that's something I had also never done, even though my career focused a lot on LinkedIn. That helps you rebuild your professional network and professional identity. One of the very big opportunities some of us got were to conduct training workshops and or conduct webinars, which is again something most of us had not done before, and that's a huge add-on to your own profile to have appeared as an expert on a platform like this. So these are few ways which are a lot more than any internship program I'm aware of can offer.
Right. Looks like you were all pushed out of the comfort zone way, like much too often. All right.
But all to our
Okay.
own benefit, I would say, Shweta. All to our own benefit.
Right. So, since all of you were in many ways like coming back, restarting, rebuilding your career, how did you settle with the new routine when internship started?
So, okay, I'll take up this question. Hi, Shweta. Hi, Pallavi. Um, in the beginning, it was actually a bit chaotic, understandably, because this is not something that you're used to doing for so many years, and then suddenly, out of the blue, you're given tasks to do and read up, study, and do certain things. So yeah, the initial days were a bit chaotic, but I think uh, within, I think after a week things settled down quite a lot, because then I knew that these days were set for meetings and this time. And then and especially since these were flexible working hours, and our timings were also taken into consideration when these meetings were fixed, the meeting times were fixed, it was easier for us as well. So by the end of first week, I knew that in the morning, my schedule with my daughter, her online classes are over, and I can sit with my work. And then again in the afternoon, take a break, and then the afternoon meetings with Guinness Planet, and then continue my work. And then again in the evening break, take look after my daughter, things needed to be done at home, and then again at night, finish the work that was left for that day. So that's how I set my routine, and yeah, that's how it continued. There will be chaos in between, I'm sure that's going to be there, but I think we all managed pretty well, we all did.
That does sound like a very, very busy full day, Ria, so thank you for giving us that sneak peek. And I'm like, I think you and everybody else, it was just so amazing to see all of you coming back with the tasks that were given to you and the tasks that you would also take up on your own. I mean, it was not that we were always telling you what to do, but you would also take some initiatives on your own, which has also led to great things on Guinness Planet. So thank you for being around. Now, the next question is, to you all is, what are the suggestions to moms who are thinking of applying? What would you like to suggest to them?
So, I will take this question. Thank you, Sweta. Uh, Someone who wants to back to their professional world, and who wants to learn something new in the fun way, and uh, wants to conquer the world again with in a professional way. So I'm sure definitely it's a great chance to back to their professional.
Right. Thank you, Madhumita. And of course, other people can add to it if they want to. But right now, I just want to go into a round of introductions so that you share your name and your designation. What was, as a mom intern. So starting with you, Ria.
So I was in digital marketing, and previously I was a former PR and communications professional, and I have restarted my career, I will say, after a 6-year break now, after this wonderful internship here at Guinness Planet.
Madhumita.
I was in the digital marketing. Previously, I worked as a assistant professor in a college. After a 6 years of break, I started my career in Guinness Planet.
Okay. I'm Shweta and I'm CEO of Guinness Planet. Pallavi.
Hi, I'm Pallavi and I'm head of marketing for Guinness Planet.
Hi, I'm Anisha. I have been a talent management professional for 15 years, and in December 2020, I came because of a change of place. I was looking for opportunities when this happened. I have interned as in brand and talent space with Guinness Planet.
Hi, I'm Dishari. I was into the training department of Guinness Planet. I had a career break of 1.5 years, and previously I was into academics. I was an educator. So, yeah, and Guinness Planet has given me a lot of opportunities now.
Thank you all for introducing yourself to the world out there. And we hope the batch three that is going to come in now has taken some tips from you. And there are some things, the last bits that Pallavi and I would like to add. I would definitely want to share that, before you apply, just have a look at what Guinness Planet does. Guinness Planet is a social enterprise. Um, the core of the work we do is around simplifying and triggering conversations on empathy, diversity, and disability we do want people who align with the vision that we work with, so we would definitely appreciate when somebody has actually checked out what we do and then applied, rather than just applying because this was an opportunity to apply. And the last few bits about internship, Pallavi, can you just repeat for the benefit of audience?
Yeah, sure, Shweta. So the applications open today, right? After this, we will be announcing, and you can apply from today. A week from today, we will be closing the application. So you have a window of 1 week to apply. This internship will start on 1st August. And the positions, again, to repeat, are for training, digital marketing, photography, brand management, PR, talent management, and publications, yes. And anything else which you think you can contribute, you can definitely, we are open to exploring any other line or any other line of expertise rather, which you can bring in. And this internship is for a period of 3 months, and you can apply either for a part-time or a full-time position. A part-time position would entail a commitment of 2 to 3 hours a day, and a full-time internship will call for a commitment of 5 to 6 hours a day.
If you're a mom, whether on a career break or not, if you're looking for a change of career, or you're looking to restart something in any capacity, this is the place for you. This is the place you will enjoy, and this is the place your child will enjoy. So together, you and your child will have a beautiful journey of 3 months and opening up loads of new avenues for both of you and your family. So do apply.
Log into www.guineasplanet.com to apply.
And our Instagram handle @PlanetGuineas.
All right. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much for being here.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.